Hi friends, welcome to another Tasty Tuesday. Sorry this one is being uploaded a little late, but this week's collaboration with Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy, we are going to be making some tasty Halloween treats. I am going to be making some Halloween bark. You can use leftover candy from trick-or-treating or just buy a bunch of candy like I did. But we're going to be doing something fun and I'm really looking forward to seeing what she is cooking up. So definitely head over to her channel after you watch this, and if you're coming from her channel, welcome to my channel and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright guys, let's get to cooking. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so delicious, so chewy and gooey and yummy. Oh, you can make this as gifts or make it for your family or for yourself, whatever you wish. It is just so delicious. So I want to give a big thank you to my friend Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy for doing this collab with me, because I absolutely love doing anything holiday, and Halloween is so much fun, especially for my kiddos, and I just love doing this for everybody. But look how delicious this is, you guys. Give it a try and head over to Rachel's channel, LiveLaughLoveMommy, right after you're done watching this, and subscribe to her. You will not be unhappy that you did, because she has fantastic content. And like always, you guys, definitely like, share, and subscribe. We need more friends, and thank you so much for watching. Bye now.